Hey there, this is Jojo from Seventh Plane Healings and AstroJo.com with your AstroSonics, where we go on a cosmic sound journey together. And in this session, we are tuning into the moment that Venus enters Capricorn. And this is at 2:26 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time on December the 25th here in Australia. So it's a Christmas Day event. So Venus, the planet of love, beauty and values, moves into Capricorn's grounded vibration, bringing structure, commitment, and integrity into our relationships and creative expressions. And this ingress is woven into a dynamic set of aspects that shape the collective field. So if you stick around, we shall explore the aspects in more detail, followed by a special planetary tuning fork, sound alignment, which is attuned, especially to attune your energies to love, alignment with discipline, emotional harmony, and creative recalibration. And the aspects in a bit more detail are, we have Venus in a conjunction with Sun, Juno, and Mars. This is a powerful union of love, identity, partnerships, and drive. This alignment highlights passion and purpose in relationships and encourages us to act with integrity and authority. We have the Venus sextiling the Moon. This brings a gentle flow between love and emotion, and this aspect supports harmony, nurturing, and emotional resonance in our connections. We also have Venus square Saturn Neptune Ceres. And these squares bring tension between love and limitation, clarity and illusion, and relational needs versus nurturing responsibilities. The challenge is to balance discipline with compassion and discernment with devotion. We have Venus in an inconjunct with Uranus. This is a subtle but disruptive influence. It's urging recalibration in love and values. Sudden shifts or unexpected dynamics may require flexibility and openness to change. So now I invite you to join me on this sacred sound journey, just allowing your mind and your body to attune to these cosmic frequencies. Just take a deep breath in and release. Just taking another deep breath. Just letting go, bringing your awareness to your heart and softening into deep relaxation as you bathe in the frequency of the spheres. And our affirmation is, I ground love in integrity, aligning beauty and passion with cosmic harmony. I ground love in integrity, aligning beauty and passion with cosmic harmony. So just take a moment to integrate these planetary energies, feeling balance and harmony within. And if you would like your own personal planetary tuning fork sound alignment, which is specific to your natal chart or to the current transits to your natal chart or to your solar return chart, I'm just doing some final touches on the solar return chart. That should be up soon as a product to be available for purchase on my website at astrojo.com. And also, if you'd like to explore a bit more these pendants that I make, they're frequency imprinted energy pendants. I hand wind the coil and imprint frequencies to it. It's cut to 144 hertz sacred cubit, so it resonates at 144 hertz, drawing energy into the body. And it has holographic material inside, which has frequencies imprinted onto it using scalar field technology and Rife frequencies, and yeah, just lots of vibrational frequency things. So check out seventhplanehealings.com for a bit more info about that. And if you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe for future cosmic adventures. And thanks for joining me. Let's tune into the universe together.